Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Sea of Thieves board game. First, let's get your game set up. Unfold the main board and place the starting islands and outposts as indicated in the rulebook. Each player then selects a pirate crew and their corresponding ship miniature. Your primary goal is to gather the most treasure and become the legendary pirate lord, but beware of other crews and sea monsters. Now, let's talk about movement and exploration. Each turn, you'll roll dice to determine how far your ship can move across the modular ocean tiles. As you explore, you'll draw event cards that can lead to exciting encounters or dangerous challenges. Your crew will embark on voyages, which involve sailing to specific islands to dig up valuable treasure chests. It's all about strategic sailing and a bit of luck. Combat is a thrilling part of the Sea of Thieves experience. When you encounter another player's ship or a fearsome sea monster, you'll engage in dice-based combat. Each crew member has unique abilities that can turn the tide of battle, so choose wisely. Remember to manage your ship's damage and resources, like cannonballs and planks, to stay afloat and continue your adventures on the high seas. To claim victory and become a true pirate legend, your crew needs to accumulate a specific amount of gold, often around $15,000 in gold, by selling your hard-earned treasure at outposts. Completing legendary voyages also grants significant bonus points, pushing you closer to victory. Remember to check the description for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals. Keep an eye on your rivals, as they'll be trying to steal your loot and sink your ship.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.